this will be the beginning of the video, and then what you finna see now, I guess, is, and we gonna close it right here too. Y'all ain't gonna see no more. What you finna see now is footage from the water park, from the helicopter ride, from what else? The scoop, the little scoop coop. It's
Whatever.
across the little city. Where we ate it. I ate a bomb restaurant on the beach.
The beach.
Yeah, we had a picnic on the beach.
Yeah.
Baby found a seashell. Oh, we just did everything. We just did some more fun. So y'all stay tuned. Watch the rest of this vlog, and you ready to close out? We'll see you in this video.
Adam.
We had to stop the ice cream and just sit high.
Adam.
y'all. My birthday gifts. I got so many. Like, I've been getting gifts since last week. Yeah, because I've been celebrating since last week. So this is one. Okay, this is 1, 2, y'all. Man, when I say this necklace is, oh, y'all can see my nails good on here too. Peep the claws. Okay. Oh, this is my baby. If you're friends with me on Facebook, you know you've seen this already. This is the bag, baby. Like, you know, this the bag. This the bed. You know, bag. I could have bought this one today too. Oh, the watch I got. Wait, no, this is not the watch she bought me. She bought me a watch too. There you go. Okay. Oh, why she couldn't bring it to me? This the watch. Muffler icy. It's icy. It's icy. Yeah, my outfit is a bomb. Oh my god, it's bomb. My hair is bomb. And pick my headband. Okay, but the coach slides. You know, with the purse. Oh. Yeah, it probably fell out because I tried them. But the bag. Boom, so I need it. Yeah, these my favorites. I think these my favorites. I don't know, it's between these and the coach, cause yeah, these my favorites. These, the Carter B Reeboks, I got the white ones, and I wanted the white ones because of these. Like, isn't it bomb? Like, that's nice. So, yes, I have the Carter B. Let me show y'all again. They so fly. Like, they icy. I'm ready to wear these. I'm so ready to wear them. Okay. I'm asking for these shoes for probably ever since they came out. These Converse. They fire. So I guess she got me black because she had already got me that part of these. Okay. I got some more shoes. Yeah. When I say I got 5 pair of shoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. Yeah, the 5th is my Steve Madden's. These Steve, not these Steve Madden, these Steve Madden's. But not these. These are tennis shoes. If you're friends with me on Facebook, then the Steve Madden's I wore with my orange. Yeah, no. That's my 5th pair of shoes. So yeah, I got 5 pair of shoes for my birthday. Who did I get 5 pairs of shoes for their birthday? And a Steve Madden bag to match. I don't know what I'm gonna use it for just yet. Cause I don't want to use it for my makeup bag. Because y'all give me some suggestions on how to use it. I don't know. But I don't want to use it for my makeup bag because I don't want to get it dirty. It's black and white. And it's very pretty. So, I may use it for like a, I don't know. We got to see. But it ain't gonna get used for just no anything. It's gonna get used for special purposes. I feel like makeup is special purpose too, but it's gonna make my bag dirty. Do you see this? I may just wear it as a purse. You may never know. I just don't know. And it go with my shoes. Y'all gotta go see my shoes. I got these. If you know, I do hair. So yes, ma'am, and braids at that. Look at the colors. Beautiful. She know I love purple. Yeah, these all Gigi gifts, by the way. Like, just throw it out there. Can't never have too many confusion combs. And the light ones they think, cause I lose all my confusion combs. What else? I feel like I'm missing something. You got me so much shit. I did have a birthday cup.
That team drink out of
Birthday girl. It's okay. I'll drink out of it. Eventually. Oh, see, I am missing something. I had. See, I just showed y'all one bag of Victoria's Secret. I had two. And Bath and Body Works. Now, with the Bath and Body Works, let me tell y'all, we Sweet Pea. Gigi been buying me Sweet Pea since we was in high school. Since we was in high school, she bought so much Sweet Pea. And she has so much, and she know I love my candles. This one is Cactus Blossom. I just put you on. I got the room spray too. And this is rose water and ivory. Wait, which one I got the room spray on? The ivory, yeah. I got this room spray. This smells so good. I got this room spray too though. It was the dark pink can one. Yeah. Probably not. Yep. But yes, those are my gifts back.